Hello all, welcome to the session on part modeling interface. At the end of the session, you will be able to learn a part modeling toolbars in CATIA. In that, one by one, we are going to see the various toolbars such as view toolbars, sketch based features toolbar, dress up toolbar, transformation feature toolbar, apply material toolbar, measure toolbar, dynamic sectioning toolbar. Now I'm going to open the software to demonstrate the various toolbars. Now we will see a first view toolbar, the software. I'm going to open the software. In this software, you just click on Start, Mechanical Design, click on Part Design, then hit and Enter or OK. You will get this interface. For our better display, I'm going to open a ready-made solved model here for better visibility. I'm just opening an example here. Now here, the first toolbar, as we seen here, view toolbar. This is what the view toolbar. First toolbar is view toolbar. The second one is sketch based features toolbar. Let us see it in the software. If you drag this toolbar by pressing shift key, you can orient it horizontally and place it here. You will be finding this sketch based features toolbar. Now if I'm closing this toolbar, I can bring back this toolbar again by right clicking option on any toolbar buttons. If you right click here, or you can right click this side, you will be finding the list of toolbars where currently I required sketch based features, which is available somewhere here, sketch based features, and another one is view toolbar. So first I need a view toolbar, and then again right click here. You will see here sketch based features in the right click options. Click on the sketch based features. You can bring those toolbar again. So to switch off this toolbar, you can press this close button. Next toolbar is dress up feature toolbar. Let us see. You just drag the dress up feature toolbar by pressing shift key. You can orient to horizontal and place where you want it. You will be finding this dress up feature. The next toolbar is transformation features toolbar. Let us see. So this is the transformation feature toolbar. Next toolbar is apply material toolbar. Let us see it into software. If you see this button, this is the apply material toolbar. Just drag here. You will see this toolbar, apply material. If you close this, you can bring back that toolbar by right clicking on any toolbar buttons. You see here apply material button. Just click on this apply material. Next toolbar is measure toolbar. Uh, to view the measure toolbar, you just drag this toolbar. So while dragging, you need to hold a left click mouse on the dash line from the toolbar so that it will be drag anywhere as per your requirement. So I'm just dragging this dash line here and then move somewhere here. So I'll be move somewhere here. Okay. So this is the measure toolbar. So from here we can able to check the distance, diameter, and mass properties of the model. Next toolbar is dynamic sectioning. So in the dynamic sectioning, it looks like this. So if you see here, this symbol is indicating dynamic sectioning. Just drag here, you will be finding this button. This is used to check the cross section of model. The next toolbar inside view toolbar is first option in it, fit all in. Let us see one by one this option. In the view toolbar, you can orient your models. Uh, you can fit your model into center on the screen using fit all in option. Then another option is a pan. The pan is to move your model. Okay. Then rotate, used to rotate the model. Zoom in, uh, and another is zoom out to maximize and minimize the display of your model. Then you can use the zoom in, zoom out button. Then normal view, which is used to orient the view perpendicular to the selected face. There is normal view. The next view is create multi-view. Okay. Then hide show button to hide or show the specific features or the references. You can use this button. Swap visible space, whatever the things you are hide, that you can able to see through the swap visible space. Whatever the things are hidden, that is actually visible in the visible space only. In regular working, once you hide any entity, you will not finding that hidden entity. To see the what the things are get hidden, we need to use this button, swap visible space. So let us see that option one by one. So first option in the view toolbar is a fit all in. Let us see it into the software. So here earlier we are expanded the toolbars. So to reset the location of toolbars at original default location, we need to use the tools button, tools menu, then click on customize, then click on toolbars tab, then select restore all contents, click OK, then click on restore positions, then click OK. After that, close this button, and this also I don't want this toolbar in Nuvia, you can close it. So the position of toolbars is reset to the default location. Okay. So I'm just expanding the view toolbar. In the view toolbar, the first option in it is a fit all in. So if your model is shifted somewhere away from center location, then you can bring your entire model at center of screen, that is through this button, fit all in. Just click this fit all in. Once you click, the entire model brings to the center location of graphics area. If I scroll the mouse by pressing Ctrl key, okay, and now I want to bring this entire model at center location of screen. Just click this fit all in, this button from the view toolbar. The next option inside the view toolbar is pan. As we seen here, fit all. The next option is pan. To pan your model, pan means we need to shift your entire model away from center screen, or just move the model location by pressing the middle click of uh, the mouse. Okay, or you can use this button, which is pan. Just click the pan, and now just left click on the mouse, so it will be move your model. Okay, but hotkey to move the model, instead of using this button, you just press the center button or middle click of mouse, and then hold the middle click or center button of mouse and move the mouse, so it will be pan. It is a shifting your model uh, as per your required location. So this is the pan. So I can shift the model anywhere in the space like this. You can shift anywhere. To bring back the original location again, center location, click fit all in option. The next one is rotate. So to rotate the model, we need to use this button rotate, and just click the button and then uh, move the model or rotate the mouse. Okay, by pressing left click the mouse, the model, and if you try to rotate the mouse, it will be rotating your model. Okay, so this is the rotate button. The shortcut to rotate directly using mouse instead of this button is you press middle click and right click, hold a middle click of mouse and right click of mouse, right click button of mouse both at a time, and then uh, move the mouse, so it will be rotate around the orbit which is shown in the orange color circular zone. So within that zone only your model is going to be rotated. Okay, so this is the rotate option. The next one is zoom in and zoom out. To minimize and maximize display of your model, we can use these buttons zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so let us see it into the software. So to make the zoom in, press this button, zoom in, so it will enlarge the model. And to zoom out or to minimize the display of model, you can use this next button, that is zoom out from the view toolbar. Just left click, sorry, uh, just left click on the zoom out button. So the same thing you can do using mouse as well. You press the middle click, continuously hold a middle click, and one time right click and release the right click without removing the middle click of the mouse. Then you will get zoom in, zoom out. Just move the mouse to and fro, so you will see this zoom in, zoom out. So instead of using these buttons, it is ideal practice to use the directly mouse shortcut. So I'm pressing middle click from mouse, then uh, hold middle click continuously, and one time right click and release it, so that it will get zoom in, zoom out. But if you hold middle click and right click continuously, it will get rotate. Both button, if you hold it, it will be rotate. Next one is normal view. So if you use this button normal view and we want to see the view perpendicular to this face, you just click on this face and just click the button of normal view. So it will be that face will be parallel to your screen and perpendicular direction. This plane is perpendicular direction to the observer display. So this is normal view. Normal means perpendicular. Okay, so again, if you want to see normal view to this face, just select this face, click this button. Okay, so this face is normally aligned to the observer direction, or it is parallel to screen, we can say. Okay, if you want to take this view normal, again we can do this. Okay, the next view is create multi-view option. So using create multi-view options, you can see the orthographic display of 3D model into 3D space. You just see here in the software. If I click here isometric, so it will be oriented to the standard isometric orientation. And now I'm just clicking here create multi-view button. So you will see isometric view here. Here you will see the top view. Here you can see this front, and here you can see this side view. How can I know this is the side, this is the front? That is through the compass location. So XY in the CATIA, XY plane is your top plane, then ZX plane is your front plane, and YZ plane is your right plane or the side plane, and this is the standard isometric orientation. If you disable this, so orthographic display will be off. So multiple using this button you can work on mm, uh, multiple views simultaneously. If you want to work something on the top view, you can create the feature here. If you want to work on front view, you can start to create this. Okay, so this is the display methodology, create multi-view options. Now I'm just switch off this button. I want to reorient it to standard isometric. Click on this, then click here isometric orientation. So compass, if you can able to see, this is the perpendicular uh, uh, plane with two perpendicular direction to x direction. Perpendicular plane is YZ. So this is your front plane. So front plane is nothing but your YZ, which is perpendicular to x direction. Top plane is your XY plane, which is perpendicular to Z direction, and this ZX plane is perpendicular to Y direction, that is your side view. Okay, if you click on this, this view will get displayed. Okay, so compass will, this is called a compass. The compass will help you out to identify the direction or vectors of model, and also you can able to identify the plane, which one is front, which one is top, and which one is the side. Using compass you can able to see that. Okay, so this is called a 3D compass. The next one is isometric display. If you rotate and orient the model angularly, then you can uh, make it to standard orientation, which is isometric view. This is default isometric views. Next one is hide and show option. Here you can see this hide and show buttons. If you want to hide this model, you just click on the model and then use this hide or show option. So once you click this hide button, the model get hide, but where the model is get uh, visible, it is visible into visible space. So whatever the things you are hidden, that you can able to see it into visible space options. You just click the swap visible space. The things which are hidden, that is actually placed here in this swap visible space. Again from here, if you click hide, so it will be hide from visible swap visible space, and it will be displayed into, if you click this button, it will be displayed into graphic area. Okay, or else there is alternate way. If you expand the specification tree, and if you can right click here in the contextual options, you will be finding this option hide show. Just click on the hide show. From here as well you can hide and display the model. Okay, you can hide the bodies, you can hide the geometrical references by right clicking option here. So ideal practice is by right clicking tool instead of using these options. So whatever the things are hidden, that will be visible into swap visible space button. How can I do that? I just show you that how to display the hidden entity, just click on swap visible space. Just click on the swap visible space. You will be finding whatever the hidden entities are there, it will be hide into this area. Okay, and if you right click over here, and from here again you can just right click on show this button, and then you can able to see that it will be visible again. So instead of using this button, ideal practice is to use with specification tree buttons, right click contextual options. Okay, you can see that. The next button is as we seen here, swap visible space. Whatever the things are hidden, that will be displayed into swap visible space. Now regarding quick view, there are different orthographic views you can able to see. By default it will be standard isometric, but if you want to see the front view, top view, back view, left view individually, you can use this quick view buttons. Okay, bottom view, top view, named view, etc. So let us see it one by one. Front view. So here is the, just if you click on the arrow mark of isometric view, you will be finding this quick view buttons. These are the quick views. In that, first option is isometric view. Now I require here front view, so you will see this front directly. So front is your YZ plane. So then another view which is back view, back side of front. This is a back view. This blue color indicates we are working on the back side of the object. And if you see here front, it is showing the green color. Green is the front side and blue color is the back side. Then after you will see here left view. So this is left view. You can see the left view, and then this is the right view. This is the right view. After that, the another view is top view. This is top view, and this is the bottom view. And if you want to set it isometric original standard orientation, use isometric view. And if you want to see this all view, 3 views at a time, you can use this create multi-view. You can see that. If you want to see here front view, you can click on the front. If you want to see here left side view, you just click this space and then click on the left, so it will be aligned left, or you can take the right. And here I want the top view. How you want to configure your views, that is depends. Okay, or you want to see this bottom view, so top view, bottom view, front view, like that you can align. So ideally is one should be isometric and remaining 3 are the orthographic as per your requirement. You can disable these buttons. One more time, if you click here, by default you will get this view. Okay, again switch off this, click on this isometric orientation again, you will see this standard isometric orientation. Now I'm clicking this close button. So here individually orthographic views you can able to see. The next one is which is named view. Just below the bottom view option you will see the named view. You can configure your own view with this named view button. So how I can do that, I just show you that. Just click on this named view. Okay, and I want to create my own view here, which is front view FV. So I want this side view, means view perpendicular to y direction, which is ZX, that I'm considering the front view. Then you can click on add. Okay, and you can give the name here front view FV, hit enter, and you can change the property. And in the property or else you can use the option of modify option. In the modify properties, it's not showing, just a minute. Yeah, so here if you see, if you want to create any additional perspective view, we can able to use the add option. But if you want to change the default uh, planes or default orientation, you can use this property button. So front view, which I required here, this one, click on apply and close it. Just you can see I'm just explaining one more time. Just click on the drop down list and then click here named view. In the named view you will see the front view. Now I want to change the orientation of front view. So instead of front perpendicular to x direction, which is yz, I want to take a front as a perpendicular to y direction, which is the zx plane. So how can I do that? Just click the front view and click on the property, and here you just click the button front view. These are the options. Now this is the yz plane. So yz plane by default you will get the front. If you see here, this is your front yz plane, but I required this plane, which is the xy as a front. So you just click on the apply, click here. So you will see, sorry, not xy, yz is your front. Now if you again click here, and slightly tilt. So this I'm considering as a front. Okay, once you click on apply, just click on close, don't press a okay. But if you do reset all, it will be reset to original position. Now I'm clicking on close, so click on OK. Now your front plane is getting changed. So instead of taking plane YZ here, you will see the plane XY. So in this way we can change the orientation which is default set, that is through named view. So in the named view you just take the view which you want to modify. Just click on the property, and in the property I want to modify the back view. So this is the back view. In the back view we can change like this. So this I need a back view. This I need a back view. You can see that. So this I'm considering the back view. So you click and apply and click on a close. Don't press the OK, and then click on a close. So this you can see, this is your front view. This is isometric view. Here it is your front view, and here it is your back view. So these things are changed. So using this button named view, we can modify the orientation, default orientation over here. So by default I require the front view. So if you select here front again, go to the property, click on front view, click on the reset all. So you will see this front again, which is YZ perpendicular to X direction. Then close. Again here also you can reset to original location. Click on property. I want to reset with back view. Click on reset all. Then click on apply and close. Again it goes to original location. You can check here. This is isometric. This is front view. Again it brings to original default location orientation, that is YZ. Another one which is back. These two views I modified earlier, so that is reset to original. So you can configure your orientation, standard orientation, with the help of named view options. This is for the named view options. Even you can modify isometric. Go to the property. I want to show the isometric. Instead of this, I want to show like this. Click on apply. It looks like this. Slightly rotate. I want to show isometric like this. Close it. Apply and close it. So now next time if you try to click on this button, it shows the standard orientation isometric like this, which is set earlier. So if you to modify correctly, you can go to the named view, click on ISO, click on property, and then click again isometric button here and click reset all. So click on apply, close, apply, close. So in this way we can reorient the standard default orientation of views using named view option. The next one is, as we seen earlier, these are the one by one orthographic views: front, back, left, right, top and bottom view, and named view. The next is various view shading mode or display modes. Let us see it one by one. First one is the shading, another shading with edges, display style of model with shading with edges, then shading with edges without smooth edges, shading with edges and hidden edges, shading with material, and wireframe display, and customize the view parameter. So now I'm taking first display style, which is a shading. Let us see it into the software. So here just near to isometric orientation you will find the shading displays. So these are the view mode. So first one is shading, or you can reorient vertically, which is by default available. You just drag and orient here, or you may close and just use this drop down list. You will see here the first one is a shading. If you click the shading, the tangent black lines are get disabled. The display will become very smooth. Next option is shading with edges. So this will be shown the black edges. Ideal display is this. Always try to use this shade with edges. It is a better display. Then another is shading with edges without smooth edges, which it means if you use this, fillet tangent lines will be not showing in the black color. Okay, smooth surfaces will not be shown into the sharp line black edges, so it will be better display. If you use this button, second number, you will see the black display. If the tangent is smooth display is there, I do not want to show this black lines, then use this third number button, shading with edges without smooth edges. The next display style is shading with edges and hidden edges. So internal hidden edges will be displayed, hidden lines will be shown here. Depends on your mouse movement. Okay, if you orient the view like this, normal to this view, then you will see the hidden lines because there is a hole, so it will be show hidden lines. And again, but generally it is not recommended to display the hidden edges, and it's better always show display style with the shading with edges option. Next is shading with material. Once you apply the material, that material color which is shown here, still that will be uh, assigned to the model. So it is for rendering purpose. So whenever you apply the rendered color to this model, that will be displayed with this shading with material option. Then this next one is wireframe mode. This is the wireframe display, edge display. Okay, and third one is customize view parameters. So using customize option, you can define your display mode. So you can see here all options as we seen earlier, that will be you can able to run from here as well. Okay, so now I'm taking this second number button and use this customize mode. Edges and points I don't want to show. Half visible smooth edges, no smooth edges, no vertices, sharp points I don't want to display, colored edges from faces, Outline only I want to show, line on line that I want to show only, no wires, no axis, no points. So this is the style of display how you want to show it. Meshing, shading mode, material mode, triangular display. So apart from this display, if you want to display, you want to configure your own display, you can use this customize view parameters. Then transparent. So whatever the entities behind this model, that easily you can able to see because of transparency. Then hidden edges and points, dynamic hidden lines removal. Then the rendering style per object. So you can see that the various display configurations. Okay, so now I'm just clicking OK here. I'm using this button, which is standard. Out of all, the better option is either use second number, which is shading with edges, or shading with smooth edges. If this fillets is not smooth, then the sharp line will be displayed over here if you use third number button. Okay, but if you use second number button, uh, all black edges will be displayed. Even the surface are smooth, still the black edges will be displayed. Okay, so these are the various view mode, display mode. As you can see earlier, and these are the things we are seeing. Shading mode, shading with edges, shading with edges without smooth edges, then shading with edges and hidden edges, shading with material, then wireframe, and customize view parameters. So out of all these options, the second and third number is preferably used. So third number option is used for the plastic objects. Okay, so whenever I require to follow the tangential continuity for the smooth curvature uh, perspective, then this display will help you out whether this surface is smooth or not. Okay, that we can able to see or just quickly with the help of third option, which it means like this. If you use this third number option, which is this one, and after clicking on this button, there is no any black edges displayed on the fillet area, which it means the smoothness quality is better. But after clicking this button, still if you want to see the black edges, then the smoothness quality is not properly maintained. This button is most probably helpful for the plastic products whenever we required a tangential continuity between the objects. Then this button will be help you out to check quickly whether the surface follow the tangential continuity, curvature, or smoothness. We can either able to check it with this button, but ideal in general purpose, this button second number shading with edges will be helpful. Okay, okay, so once you start a part modeling, that is through mechanical design, you will see the toolbars which we already discussed, and this we called as the compass. This is the term we called as a compass. This is called a specification tree, that also you can able to zoom in zoom out by pressing Ctrl and scroll, mouse scrolling button. You can zoom in zoom out. Okay, you can off the specification tree by pressing F3 button from the keyboard, F3, that you can hide and show the specification tree. Sometimes what happen, while working on the model, you are not able to see this specification tree. That time simply press the F3 button. Now it is hide, so to on it you press the F3 button. Okay, and by pressing scroll only, the specification tree can be move up and down. And to zoom in zoom out the specification tree, press Ctrl key and scroll the mouse. Okay, so this is the specification tree, this is the compass, and this is the CSYS coordinate system. This is the CSYS. This is called the toolbars. The traceable toolbar, sketch based features, use toolbar, and these all are the menu bar, tools, windows, etc. These all are the menu bars. And from start we can able to switch the various environments, or that we call the workbenches. These all are the workbenches. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the today's session. So thank you for attending this session. We will see you into the next session.